third lesson. Question number 1, second part. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen graphically. So graphical representation you have to do first. You have to make 2 equations and solve the 2 equations. Find 3 solutions for each equation. 3 solutions or 2 solutions we can find it out. Plot that on the graph and find out the solution from the graph. So solution, first you can make it as equation or convert it into equation algebraic form. 5 pencils and 7 pens. So let the cost of 1 pencil be x. X and cost of 1 pen y. Now according to question, we can write how many pencils are there? 5 pencils. So 5 pencils cost 1 pencil x is 5x. 7 pens cost of 1 pen is y 7y. That's equal to rupees 50. Equation 1. Equation 2 is 7 pencils, that is 7x. And 5 pens, that is 5y, is equal to rupees 46. Equation 2. Now you have to find out 3 solutions for equation 1 and equation 2. Already in that video I explained how to find out the solution if it is given linear equation in 2 variables. So I am writing that first equation 5x is equal to 50 minus 7y. So in this equation you have to put it in a box. Now you have to make the box for finding out the solution. X, y you have to write 3 boxes. Now x coefficient is 5 and y coefficient is minus 7. X coefficient down of y coefficient up of x. Find out one solution from the equation. So 50 y I am taking it as 7. So 5x is y I am taking 0. So 5x is equal to 50 minus 7 into 0. That is 50 minus 0 is 50. 5x is equal to 50. That implies x is equal to 50 divided by 5. That's equal to 10. Got y value 0 and x value 10. X 10, y 0. Now we get 10 plus minus 7 is 3. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus minus 7 is minus 4. And 5 plus 5, 10. So got 3 values. So second equation we can go through. 7x plus 5y is equal to rupees 46. So 7x is equal to rupees 46 minus 5y. So we should put that in a box. Now you make the box here for finding out the 3 solutions. X, y, 1, 2, 3 solutions. From this equation we can write the value of coefficient of x is 7, write down of y. Coefficient of y is minus y, write down of up. X, write on top of x. Next one, we have to find it out one solution. So while finding out the solution, if you take y is equal to 0 here, then we are getting 46. 46 is not there in 7 table. So you have to try some other number. You have to calculate in mind and find it out. So here I am going to substitute y is equal to 5. Now 7x is equal to 46 minus 5 into 5. That is 46 minus 25. So 7x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6, 2 plus 2, 21. That implies x is equal to 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. We are getting x value. Y value is 5. I am writing y value 5 here. X value 3 here. 3 plus minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 5 minus 7. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 7 19. Got 3 values. Now we can draw the graph. So we need only the 2 boxes. We can draw the graph of that equation. So just I am drawing. You have to draw it in the graph paper and find it out the correct solution. So here y value y axis we can draw. So we can draw y-axis here. Y dash. Next we can draw x-axis. X dash. Origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to mark here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will go on. Now I am going to plot the first value. It is 10, 0. So 10 is not there in my graph. When you are drawing in the graph paper, you will be able to do. But here I am going to the second solution. Two solution also you can draw the graph. 3 and 5. So 3 here, 5 here. So just you have to draw a line, and here you can draw the line. Then you can find it out where the 3 and 5 is coming here. -4 and 10. So -4 here and 10 here. So 10 actually we can take here. So -4. Just I'm showing that how to do. So 10 means like this it will come. This is the point. So we are getting a line like this. We can draw the line through this point. So that after drawing you can mark it as 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. That is the equation of this line. Write the equation there. Now we can go to the second one. So 3 and 5. So 3 here, 5 here. Here same solution we are having. -2 and 12. -2 here, 12 here somewhere it will come -2. And here 10 means 11 will be there. Here 12 it is coming like this. So here you can draw the line like this because it is intersecting here. So we can draw a line like this through this point because 3 and 5 is there for both the equations. Now through graph if you want to find out, so this is the solution of the graph 5 and 3. X is 3 and y is equal to 5. That is the solution from the graph. So we can find it out. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So x we have taken as cost of pencil. Therefore 3 is the cost of pencil. Cost of 1 pencil, and 5 is the cost of 1 pen. So by using graph we got the answer we solved that equation. Pencil we find the answer of cost of 1 pencil and cost of 1 pen. Cost of 1 pencil is 3 and cost of 1 pen is rupees 3 and cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. I think you might have got the method how to solve equations graphically or how to find out the value of x and y graphically. So try this type of questions, practice it. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.